Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Adobe Acrobat Reader DC installation failed. First, set your browser to enable JavaScript. Your antivirus software may incorrectly identify the Acrobat Reader installer as malware and give false error reports such as those provided below. Antivirus software vendors and service providers actively update the software so that the Acrobat Reader installer is recognized as legitimate. Make sure that your antivirus software is up to date. Certain conditions on your computer, such as security settings or browser cookies, can prevent the Acrobat Reader installer from downloading. You can try downloading again using a different browser to resolve an unsuccessful download. You can try any of the following browsers that you are not already using: Mozilla Firefox, Apple Safari, and Google Chrome. If you still have trouble downloading Acrobat Reader, use this direct download link. Select your operating system, language, and version, then select Download Now. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the download. An unstable internet connection can prevent you from downloading from other websites. You can try downloading a file from website links. If the problem persists, contact your network administrator, help desk resource, or internet service provider. After you establish a stable internet connection, try to download the file again. If the original attempt to download the file was interrupted, restart the download process within the web browser you were using. Video card manufacturers frequently update their software drivers. If you haven't already recently updated the video card driver, download an updated driver from the manufacturer's website. To determine the manufacturer of a video card, view the card's properties in Device Manager. Refer to the following list of errors to identify the error and the corresponding solution. If you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.